In this video, we're going to talk about subtracting rational expressions. Now here, we're really just looking at a fraction minus a fraction, which means that we need to have common denominators in order to do the subtraction. And right here, we see that that is not what we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to find our common denominator and subtract. So if we look at our denominators right now, they really don't have anything in common. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our right side, the entire thing, by x minus 3. So whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. And then we're going to multiply our side over here by 3. Let's write that a little bit different. By 3x plus 4. So we're going to multiply that here, and we're going to multiply that here. And so what that leaves us with is x times the quantity 3x plus 4 over the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity 3x plus 4 minus 2 times the quantity x minus 3 over 3x plus 4 times the quantity x minus 3. So here we can now see that we have common denominators, but before we do the subtraction, we're going to distribute our numbers inside. Then that gives us 3x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 6. And our denominators are the same now, so we can go ahead and just kind of write that one time. X minus 3 over 3x plus 4. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and I prefer to distribute, or we're going to do the subtraction rather. So we're going to subtract, but I distribute that in. That's what I like to do. And so what this is going to give me here, my 3x squared plus 4x, and I'm going to have a minus 2x and then a plus 6 because I have a double negative there. And again, that's going to be over our entire denominator of x minus 3 times 3x plus 4. And then we're just going to simplify our top. So we're going to combine our like terms, which is going to give us a 3x squared plus 2x plus 6 all over x minus 3 times 3x plus 4. And we're done. And so this is going to be our final answer for that subtraction problem. Let's try another one. So here we have x over 2x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 2. And we look at our denominators, and they are not the same. And if we look at them individually, we know that we can't reduce them anymore, which means that we're just going to have to do what we did on the last problem, and we're going to multiply to make common denominators. So here, we'll multiply our right side by 2x minus 1 to the numerator and the denominator, and then we'll multiply our left side by the quantity x plus 2, which is our denominator from the right equation. So what that's going to give me now is x times x plus 2 over the entire denominator, which is 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 minus, now we can write down our right side, which is 1 times 2x minus 1, and then our entire denominator, which is x plus 2 times 2x minus 1. And now we can see that we have matching denominators. So again, we're going to distribute our front numbers, and you can actually kind of cut down a step if you take the negative sign with this number at the same time. Meaning that if you distribute the negative 1 to both of those, it might make it go a little bit faster. So when we distribute, we see that we're going to get an x squared plus 2x. And over on this side, we're going to have a negative 2x plus 1. Because remember, I took the negative sign with me there. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is, because I took the negative sign with me, I can actually just put this all underneath the common denominator right away. And really, I don't really need that great big space either. So let's clean that up. There we go. So now we're ready to combine our like terms. So by combining my like terms, we see that we have x squared plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 times x plus 2. So you see how distributing that negative sign up here cut down the number of steps that we needed to do, making it a little bit faster. And here we are finished. We have done our subtraction problem.